traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, December 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on gold, it still looks to me very clearly to be a 1, 2, 3, and that we're probably in a wave 4 right now. Keep in mind a wave 4 is going to last around the same time as this wave 2, which this wave 2 lasted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. We're only in month 2 right now, so I would kind of expect about a 5 or 6 month correction, probably down to at least a 38% before we made another push up for the bigger wave 5. So heading down to the weekly time frame. So we definitely do have a bigger structure to the downside on the weekly, which I think would help confirm that this wave 3 is over. If the wave 3 is over, then we should potentially start a pretty decent move to the downside for a wave 4, probably at least down to the 24.15, because that's the 38% Fibonacci retracement of the wave 3. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, it looks like it pulsed down wave A. It actually could end up being a wave 1, especially looking at the higher time frames. This definitely still looks to me like it's all part of a correction to this move right here with wave A or wave 1. It looks like a potential A. It looks like potentially a wave B. It looks like it should go up for a wave C, and probably even go up and take out these highs to complete an ABC of B before it actually goes down to make a wave C. But keep in mind, it could be a wave 1, it could be a wave 2, and it could even stretch out into a wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we did get a pretty decent little push down. Finally, gold has been very sideways for about 2 weeks now. Gold normally doesn't go sideways for this long, so we probably are going to get a big explosive move at some point. Definitely looks like this is a wave A. I still think this looks like a wave A also. So an A and then an A of B. 1, 2, 3 waves down, B of B. I think more than likely this is going to go up, probably take out the high of wave A, probably at least to the 61% for a wave C, which would be an ABC of B, and then I think it's going to go back down for the bigger wave C. So this would be like an A over here, this would be the B over here, then eventually it would go down for the wave C. I think we're inside of a correction, and this is actually a correction to a correction, which is why it's such an overlapping corrective, kind of a crappy pattern. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we did have a breaker structure up on the 1 hour, which I think proves that this 5 waves down is over. So I think there's a pretty good chance that this is actually going to continue up towards that 61% Fibonacci retracement that I showed on the 4 hour time frame. I think that this is like an A right here, this is a B, and this is a C. So this is an ABC of B, and I think we need to go up, making most likely a 5 wave uptrend for the big wave C, probably up to at least that 61% Fibonacci retracement that I showed on the 4 hour time frame to complete what is all part of an ABC of B on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.